We're going to read two scriptures briefly. I'll take you first to Genesis 1:27 and 28. I read from the New Living Translation. So God created human beings in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. Then God blessed them and said, be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and govern it. Reign over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and all animals that scurry along the ground. So we read two scriptures. Take it to Matthew 19:14. Oh, no. Bible says, Matthew 19:14. But Jesus said,